Are you dreaming about getting away from the daily grind? Commute to work got you feeling down? Give your usual 9 to 5 the boot and pack your laptop because there's nothing stopping you from working in paradise. We'll hook you up with comfortable, shared and private accommodations with strong Wi-Fi and specialised remote workspaces, so your transition from in-house to remote working in paradise is as seamless as possible. Travel weekly to a new remote working location in the jungle-fringed beaches of Tamarindo, Nosara and Hako, and the volcanic rainforests of Monteverde and La Fortuna, each providing a unique backdrop sure to inspire your workdays like never before. But work's not everything, right? Enjoy pools and excellent communal areas where you can party, relax, exchange ideas and build new connections. And immerse yourself in that laid-back Tico lifestyle. Essentially, work hard, play even harder. Swap the daily grind, painful commute and rising living costs for 4 unforgettable weeks in Costa Rica. Just BYOJ and get ready for the time of your life. With just 2 intakes per year, there's no time to waste. Hey Siri, how do I get to Costa Rica?